Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate your debit card from American Express. So first you're going to open your preferred web browser, and on the address bar or the search bar you're going to type in American Express. Then you're going to click on the first link that appears from American Express or its sublink to log into my account. Here, you're gonna fill out all your information like your user ID and your password, and that account type is gonna be cards and banking, of course. When you log in, you're gonna go to the debit card section and click on activate your debit card. So clicking that, you'll be presented with a series of steps and instructions. Make sure you follow all the steps and instructions correctly. Make sure you give your information correctly of your credit card. And when you complete all the steps, your debit card will be activated successfully. If this content helps you, make sure you like, share, subscribe to that channel. Thank you.